what's up? It's Sam and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be customizing my Converse, which is this one. But I'm not gonna be painting the whole shoes because I like the color. So there is a discoloration here. Oh, can you see that? So maybe I'm gonna be painting this with another shade of pink, or I don't know, so let's see later. What I'm gonna be painting is a character, which is KAWS. This one, if you know KAWS. And this is a collectible item. So since I have no fine brush, I'm gonna be using toothpick. So I've seen some videos using toothpick, but I haven't tried it, so this is gonna be my first time. So let's get started. I'm just gonna be painting this face here, this white or this cream here. So I have here some palette, the old palette I use, and then some chopsticks, some toothpicks, and of course a pencil to trace, and the shoes. This is, look how nice it is. So this has a discoloration right here. So I'm gonna paint on this, and here, probably here. So let's see. And some, no, I don't know, I don't have a old newspaper at the moment. And here I also have some the old stuffs I have for leather paint. Okay.